when I talk about existing technologies, I'll sometimes trend a little bit negative. Like it feels like something is unjust or something's not right and that there's like a clear problem that we need to fix. But then I always love being in conversation who comes from a different perspective on the work. Where, as a marketing professional, as a solutions provider, you're steeped in the positive use cases of the ways in which data is used to optimize things. If we're talking about computing, we're talking about data, like there are great uses of it. So I've had a lot of conversations with product teams where they're being a little bit cagey about what they're doing with the data and how they talk about what they're doing with the data. Not because they think what they're doing is wrong or improper, but because they feel like people won't understand.